Hello everyone, welcome back to Genius Tutorials, and in this session we are going to take few questions based on exponential functions. In our previous session we have discussed what exponential function is and what type of questions can be expected from that we will discuss in this session. Before going to start the session, you must subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so let us try the question. Question is 4 to the power x plus 2 to the power 2x minus 1. This is equal to 3 to the power x plus 1 by 2 plus 3 to the power x minus 1 by 2. Now we need to solve this. So how we can solve this? First of all, you can write this 4 to the power x, 2 to the power 2x plus 2 to the power 2x minus 1. And right hand side is nothing but 3 to the power x plus 1 by 2 plus 3 to the power x minus 1 by 2. Now we know that out of 2 to the power 2x and 2 to the power 2x minus 1, the smaller power is 2 to the power 2x minus. We can take this common out of this. We are left with 2 plus 1 here. Same way in right hand side, 3 to the power x minus 1 by 2. We can take this common because this is the smallest power out of these two. And we are left with 3 plus 1. Now this bracket is 3 and this is 4. So you can bring it in denominator here and bring this value in denominator here. So that all terms with base 3 can be tackled on the right hand side and all terms with base 2 can be tackled on the left hand side. Because this is 4, which is nothing but 2 square, and this is 3 to the power 1. So we can say that left hand side is 2 to the power 2x minus 1 upon 2, that will be 2x minus 3. Right hand side is 3 to the power x minus 1 by 2 minus 1, it will be x minus 3 by 2. So we are left with this much only. Now if you observe, the left hand side is 2 to the power 2x minus 3. That means anything raised to the power 2, that will be an even value. And right hand side is 3 to the power x minus 3 by 2. So anything on the power of 3, that will give you an odd number. So that means left hand side and right hand side can never be equal, but they can be equal only when this power, that means 2x minus 3 or x minus 3 by 2, they both are equal to 0. And that is true only for the value x is equal to 3 by 2. So we can say that this is final answer to this question. I hope this is clear to all of you. So the key point in these type of question is that you have to keep all the terms with identical basis on one side and remaining on the other side. I hope this question is clear to all of you. Let's move on to the next question. Now the next question is based on inequality type. The question is 1 by 2 raised to the power x square minus 2x. This is less than 1 by 4, and you need to solve this inequality. So how to solve this? So first of all, let us make these bases equal. We can say 1 by 2 x square minus 2x is less than 1 by 2 square. Okay. Now a very important thing here is that base is 1 by 2, which is less than 1 but greater than 0. So that means if this base is less than 1, then x square minus 2x, their power, this should be greater than 2. Okay. That means this will be x square minus 2x minus 2 greater than 0, or you can say x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 3 greater than 0. This will give you x minus 1 square minus root 3 square greater than 0. That means x minus 1 plus root 3 into x minus 1 minus root 3. This is greater than 0. We can say that x belongs to minus infinity to 1 minus root 3 union 1 plus root 3 to infinity. So this is final answer to this question. I hope this is clear to you. So what is the key point? Key point here is that if bases are less than 1, then you should keep this in your mind that this power will be greater than this. Okay, and in spite of the fact, if I say that instead of less than, this is greater than, then in that case x square minus 2x will be less than 2. So the key point here is that you should be aware of the basis. Okay, make this as a key point in this question. Let's move on to the next question, that is again an important type. The question is, we need to find sum of all real values of x that satisfy the relation x square minus 5x plus 5 whole to the power x square plus 4x minus 60. This is equal to 1. Now we need to find sum of all those values of x which satisfy this condition. So how can we approach these type of questions? We have to make the cases. The case 1 possibility can be that this base x square minus 5x plus 5, this is equal to 1. Okay, because anything raised to power 1 will be 1. We can say that x square minus 5x plus 4, this is equal to 0, or you can say, if I factorize this, it will be x minus 1 into x minus 4 equal to 0, or you can say x is equal to 1 and 4. Okay, so these are the required values of x for this first case. Now let us move on to the second case. Case 2. The next possibility is when this power, that means x square plus 4x minus 60, this is 0, because anything raised to power 0, anything to the power 0, that will be 1 only. Factorizing this, you will get x plus 10 into x minus 6, this is equal to 0. So this will give you value of x as minus 10 and 6. Okay. Now any other case possible? One more case is there. What can be that possibility? The third case is that if base x square minus 5x plus 5, this is equal to minus 1, and those values of x which make this x square plus 4x minus 60 as an even value. That means we need to solve this, but we need to find only those values of x at which this power is even, because odd power will not give you the 1. Okay. So solving this, it will be x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. That will give you x minus 2 into x minus 3 equal to 0. That means x is 2 and 3. But make sure that at these two values, 2 and 3, whether this x square plus 4x minus 60 is even or odd. Now if you substitute x as 3 here, this will give you odd value. That means this is not possible. At 2, it will be 4 plus 8 minus 60. Yes, it will be an even value. So we can say the possible values of x are 1 plus 4. We need to find their sum now. 1 plus 4 minus 10 plus 6 plus 2. So this will give you value as 3. So 3 should be your final answer. That means 3 is the sum of all those real values of x which satisfy this given relation. So there can be multiple more questions based on exponential function, but what we have covered in this session, they are the important types. So I hope this is clear to all of you, and we will come up with more new concepts and questions in our coming sessions. Thank you so much.